Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create or set up AWS EC2 instance for Debian 12 operating system. Okay, so first connect to AWS EC2 instance, then click on services, then click on compute, then click on EC2, or just click on this search box and search for EC2. See here we have the EC2, click on it. Before installing, select the region from this list, in which region you want to create the EC2 instance. Then see here in dashboard, see here running instances are 0. Okay, click on instances or launch instance to create this. Click on instances, then click on launch instance, then provide the name for the instance, Debian 12 EC2. Then see, this is just name for the instance. Then application and OS images, that is AMI, means Amazon Machine Image. Then click on Debian. See here we have the Debian 12. So select it, and if you are unable to find, then click on browse more AMIs, then you can search. Okay, so select AMI and it is free-tier eligible. Then select the architecture. See here we have the ARM and x86. Select the 64-bit x86. Then select the instance type. See here we have the instance types, different types are there, but for this demo purpose I am going with free-tier eligible instance types. But for you, select based on requirement. Okay, so based on type of instance, charges are there. Okay, and next key pair. See, key pair is, you can use a key pair to securely connect to your instance. Ensure that you have access to selected key pair before you launch the instance. See, in drop down I don't have any key pairs, so click on create new key pair. Then provide the name, same I am giving same name like EC2 instance. Then select the key pair type RSA, then select private key file format as PEM file. Then click on create key pair. Once we click on create key pair, it will download. Click on it. See, it started download. Okay, then network settings. See here it has not populated anything. Then click on edit, then refresh. See, I don't have any VPC or subnet. Okay, so create VPC in this region. Okay, so in search box search for VPC, right click, open link in new tab, go to here. As I told you, the region must be same here and there. Okay, see, I am on the same North Virginia US East 1. Then click on see here in VPCs 0, means we don't have any VPCs. Click on create VPC, then click on just create VPC. See, VPC is created, subnet also created. Go to here, then reload this one. See, we have the VPC. Then subnet, again click on refresh. See here we have the different subnets. I am going with project subnet public US East 1 bit. Then auto assign public IP, select enable, it is up to you. Then firewall or security groups. If you want to create new security group for this AWS EC2 instance, select the create security group, or if you want to use existing one, select it. See here we have only one security group, that is the default one, but for this EC2 instance I want to create security group SG for Deb. Okay, then this is just name, and this is the description of the security group. Inbound security group roles I am not going to configure. Then advanced network configuration I am not going to do anything. Then come to configure storage. See here, free-tier eligible customers can get up to 30 GB of EBS, general purpose or magnetic storage. Okay, so I am giving 30. But if you want to give more volume, click on add new volume. Then select the type. See, general SSD. Okay, then advanced details. If you have domain, select the domain from the list. And if you want, see, if you want to create new directory, click on here. If you want to create new IAM profile, click on here. Host name and type IP name. Remaining options I am not going to change. Okay, If you want to provide any custom data or the comments, you can provide here. Or if you want to upload file, choose file and upload. Okay, so review these settings one more time. If you are okay with all the settings, and see, this is the summary of the instance. Okay, number of instances 1, and this Debian 12, virtual server type T2 micro, that is instance type, firewall, new firewall we are going to create, new security group, and storage or volume, it is 30 gigabytes. If you are okay with all the settings, or if you want to see the code, just click on preview code. See, this is the code. Okay, close the preview. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on launch instance. See, launching instance. See the details. See, successfully initiated launch of instance. This is the instance ID. Click on it, or even if you go to instances, see here we have the instance. Here also we got the same. See, instance state is running, so we are able to connect. So click on this instance ID. See here, public IP address, private IP, and other information like details. See, this is the complete information about EC2 instance. AMI name, this is the AMI name, AMI ID, monitoring disabled, status alarms. See here we have different tabs. Security, security group, networking, storage, tags. We haven't provided any tags. Now we will see how to connect to this AWS EC2 instance. Click on connect. See, we have different methods. We are going to connect by using SSH client. Okay, this is the example. See, this is the SSH command for this instance. Click on this copy button. Now open CMD or terminal. If you are on Windows, open CMD. If you are on Ubuntu systems, open terminal. Now go to this PEM file downloaded directory, because we are referring that PEM file in this SSH command. Okay, so CD downloads DAR, verify whether we have the PEM files. See, we have the PEM file. Okay, again copy this one, go to here, paste it, hit enter, type SN, hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. This is the private IP and this is the username. Control L. Now verify the version of the AWS EC2 instance for Debian. More /etc OS-release. Hit enter. See, we are on the Debian 12 operating system. This is the code name. If you took it, Control L. If you want to verify IP of this machine, ifconfig. See, it is not found, so IP ADDR. See, this is the IP. This is private IP. Okay. The first step after connecting to AWS EC2 instance for Debian is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully updated the packages. Control A. Now go to AWS console. Click on instance ID and see here instance state. If you want to stop the instance, click on stop instance. If you want to reboot the instance, click on reboot instance. And if you want to terminate instance, click on this terminate or delete instance. Once we terminate or delete the instance, then we will be not able to connect to this instance. Okay, so keep that in mind. If you want to stop, click on stop. Okay, so if you are not using this anymore, just click on just terminate. If you want to restart, click on restart. Then it is asking confirmation. Click on reboot now. See, successfully initiated rebooting. Refresh this one. See, instance state is still running. See, we have successfully rebooted. Now go to here. See, once we rebooted, see, connection is closed. Now again run the same SSH command. See, we have successfully connected. As I told you, if you are not using, delete or terminate the instance. Then it will ask the confirmation. Okay, so I'm not going to do. See, if you terminate this one, also delete this VPC. It is not required anymore. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to create or set up AWS EC2 instance for Debian 12 operating systems. For more AWS tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.